We all know that wise labor management has the greatest impact on your profitability. Eaton's B-Line Series 4Dimension strut system delivers up to 50% savings on materials and installation time. Strut is used up to 90% of the time for trapeze construction, and having the ability to mount on top of and under every trapeze results in less total material and a smaller work area. The time savings realized by attaching up to 1/2 the number of hangers, as well as the multitude of fast attachment products, makes it easy to see how we can greatly improve your profitability. Reducing total installed cost, reducing the total number of components, and solving more problems on site without redesign. By utilizing our innovative strut solution, you will be more competitive and ultimately more profitable. To learn more about Eaton's 4Dimension strut system and how it can save you time and reduce project complexity, visit eaton.com/4Dimension.